And G-Way is here to grace our FiWi Culture segment this week. G-Way, wagwan.
There, I'm
Ready to start the interview?
Yeah, man, forward.
That is. That is. Alright.
In 9th grade, you know, like Step Up 3D come out them time when I was in 9th grade.
Musa, you remember Musa and man there?
So my inspiration from that was the robot rock scene. That was Mad Chad, doing the robotics. So I started off doing robotics. Used to do battles in halfway tree in a Friday evening. Right now, halfway tree now gone. The youths them just now have no vibes like that again, you know. But yeah, I started off like that, and after school I said I'm gonna take it up like really professionally, you know.
And what did your parents say about that?
Well, my parents, they wasn't like really up with the idea because dancing, they say, is not gonna make money and it's not gonna go anywhere. Yeah, but my interest was in that, so I followed dancing, and dancing for me took me through a lot. Dancing paid me more than what I'm doing apart from dancing. You know? So dancing pays the most for me right now.
Okay, so you just touched on, so you have a 9 to 5 as well?
Yeah, I'm a barber.
So the thing work. So we got the business. You know if you talk, them already know who the king is. You see the image, yeah man, the king in the village.
My dancing skills are really great. You know, so I have my own style, my own flow, my own swag. You know, I bring my own swag into the dance space. You know, my personality stands out. Yeah, so I would say the dancing is better than the barbering. I started off dancing with Brownstone, like promotion-wise. Started with Brownstone. I was in Unruly Skankers at that time.
Okay.
From there, I moved on. From there, I ventured off into other group, you know. Yeah,
And
big up Red Alert and big up Abba Squad. Trust me, them help me out.
And you're in a group. You're in a dance crew right, currently. What's the name of that dance crew?
So currently, right now, I'm in Shady Squad. So Shady Squad, I've been a part of Shady Squad since after COVID.
Are there any dance moves that we see and don't know, say, are you build them?
All right, yeah, I've created like a dance move called Rockabye.
Okay.
So that's one of the famous dance moves right now, but a lot of people don't know that I created the move, you know. Another move is I have called Soul Reaper. Yeah, Soul Reaper.
They sound tough.
Tough, man. Not joke. Yeah, so those are two so far. Yeah.
Dancing and music intertwine. What's your favorite genre of music to listen to?
My favorite, I listen to all type of music, you know.
G-Way, man, as I respect my general.
Yeah,
Keep up
man.
the good work and remember, God on time.
All the time.
That is it.
Yeah,
We're out.
Bam.
And just like that, we make our exit from Jacksonville as well as this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. Again, I'm your host, Naldo Addy.
I'm your boy Dre.
And Dre, how was today, bro?
Bag of interviews, but you're sweet.
All right, nice and sweet as what Dre said. Big up on yourself. Thank you for tuning in and see y'all next week.